Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to talk about the radio buttons in HTML. So radio buttons in HTML form are used when user wants to select a single option from multiple options provided on the form. So currently I have this form1.html file. Let me run this on browser. So see, currently I have two text fields, username and password. So username and password are two fields. Let me refresh this once. Close this. Open in browser. Yeah, currently I have these two fields, username and password, and one submit button. So what I want to do, I want to provide here a radio button. Let's consider you want to ask a question to user and you want the answer in the form of yes, no. So let's consider that. So you need to add one text here. Let's consider we add paragraph tag and you type question like, do you like HTML language? Okay, this you provided the paragraph, and radio buttons can be implemented with the help of input type radio. So input type will be radio. Let's give name as choice. You can provide any name. So let's save this and check this how it looks on the browser now. See, do you like HTML language? And we have provided one entry like input type radio, name choice. So currently we are getting one radio button, but we need to provide here some value so user will understand what he is selecting on the web page. So let's provide here value. Let's say yes. Okay, now let's see on browser. See, you are able to get this value yes here. Another option we will provide here, input type radio. Input type radio. So name, if you have one question and for which you are selecting a single answer from the user, you need to make use of same name. Let's first, so same name I will use here and I will provide here value no. Let's save this. So see, I am able to get here radio button, do you like HTML language, yes, no. So user will be able to select only one single answer. So that is your requirement, like you need to get one single answer from the user from yes or no. But what if I misspell or do something wrong in this name attribute? Suppose the first name was choice and the second name I misspelled it to choice 1. So in that case user will be able to select both the values like yes also and no also, because the name you have provided is different. For a single name it will be only a one option. If you provide different names, then it will be considered as two different choice from the users. So this is one of the use of radio buttons. Let's consider another scenario when you want to get some rating from user, like from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So we can implement that also. Let's check that. Let's give select range. So I will make this at to select. It can be anything, but make sure that for one single type of radio button you give same name. So select 0 to 10, 11 to 20. Let's provide more radio buttons here. Input type radio, name will be select, 21 to 30. One more, input type radio, name will be select, and 31 to 40. Let's save this, open in browser. So see, currently we are getting 4 radio buttons, 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. So Now you will be able to select only one option from all these. Okay, but what if I change something here, like the first two are select, let me make the another two as select one, save this, refresh the browser. So in this case what will happen, for the first two the name is select, so in that case from the first two options only one will be selected, and for the other two select one, so in that case from third and fourth only one will be selected. But you can select two options, like from the first two you can get one, and from the last two you can also get one value if you misspelled the name, but that is not we wanted, so we will make it to select, refresh the browser. So see, in this way you can get the values of radio button from the user. So what we have learned in this video, so to summarize this video, we have learned the radio button. Radio button is used to select one option from multiple options. The input type radio defines a radio button. So if you use one name for all the radio buttons, only one radio button can be selected at a time. So we have seen this in this way, right? Like two options can be selected if you use different names for a single radio button. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topic in the next video. Thank you for watching.